Guangzhou Jiqian Fiber Optic Cable Company Limited is one professional fiber optic cable manufacturer in Guangzhou, China. Our factory is located in Guangzhou, very close to Shenzhen. Our products include outdoor optical cable, indoor optical cable, FTTH cable, ADSS optical cable, and other optical cable series. Products are strictly in accordance with international standards. All these fiber optic cable are widely used for indoor and outdoor projects. We have passed IS 09001 certificate and obtained C-ROSE FCC product testing. These optical cable are 100% testing to make sure the quality. Our product have mature production technology, strict production management to provide users with high quality products and perfect pre-sale after-sale service with a good reputation and advanced technology. Meanwhile, we have professional engineers support high efficiency sales team and competitive price superiority to attract customers from all over the world. We export to over 40 countries, including Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, and South Africa and North Africa to be a qualified supplier to operators in various countries. Our R&D department provide the strong technical support and enable us to receive some OEM, ODM projects. We can produce at least 300 km per day. We are a reliable supplier of the fiber optic cable with a 25-year life expectancy. We are looking forward to getting more cooperation.